Hello boys and girls. Today title Intensifiers from Module 8 page 81 from your book Get Smart Plus 3. Our objective for today is to learn how to use intensifiers very, so, really in a sentence. So today we are going to learn about intensifiers. There are 3 intensifiers in your Module 8, page 81. They are very, so, really. Okay, now what is intensifiers? Okay, intensifiers is a word to help strengthen or weaken of an adjective. Okay, adjective is a kata sifat or an adverb. Adverb means kata keterangan. So means you have to put the intensifiers before the adjective or an adverb. Now let's look at the first example. The pizza is delicious. Okay, the pizza is delicious. This is the adjective. Okay, so we're going to add in the intensifiers. The pizza is so delicious. Okay, the pizza is so delicious means you add in the intensifiers. It helps to boost or strengthen the words delicious. Okay, so remember, this is the intensifier. Okay, now let's look at the second example, like how the intensifier had weakens the words. Okay, example, the pizza is plain. Okay, the pizza is plain. So you want to explain to people how the pizza is so plain. There's nothing. No cheese, no pepperoni, no chicken, and so on. So let's look at the intensifiers. The pizza is very plain. So it was understood. When you use the word intensifiers, it weakens the words. Get the adjective. So remember, this is what we call the intensifier. Okay, now let's look at example number 1. Okay, it was very noisy. Okay, look at the intensifiers. This is the intensifiers in red color. Okay, so noisy is an adjective. Okay, remember, write the intensifier before the adjective. So it was very noisy. So instead of saying it was noisy, you want to tell it's very, very noisy. So we use the intensifiers because it helps to explain more clearly that it was very noisy. Okay, number 2. The lions were so scary. Okay, the word intensifier so, okay, used before the adjective scary. Okay, scary is an adjective. Okay, so it helped to emphasize, okay, the adjective. Now number 3, the vegetable soup was really delicious. So the use of the intensifier really, okay, helped to explain more that the soup was very delicious, very yummy. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, now next one. Okay, let's practice how to use the intensifiers and let's read together. Okay, number 1, the library was so quiet. Okay, the library was so quiet. Number 2, the movie was very funny. The movie was very funny. Number 3, the durians were really big. The durians were really big. The mushroom soup was really delicious. Okay, the mushroom soup was really delicious. Okay, that's it. So see you again. Bye.